Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best floor polisher in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking to maximize on product quality and you don't mind throwing off a few bucks to get what you want, then the Gladwell cordless electric mop is one of the best floor polishers available to you. The mop is easy to use and lightweight. One intuitive feature on this one, however, is the 180-degree rotation feature that helps you to get its mop head into some right spaces. Moving on, you get multiple functions and settings, including waxing, spraying, and its primary use, mopping. This multifunctional property is especially great as it means you won't need to spend money on other appliances to keep your floors clean. The waxing feature includes a polishing addition as well, so your floor gets that extra shine. Of course, it works on all surfaces, so you don't have to be picky with it. The Gladwell cordless electric mop is also the first product on our list that's a cordless unit. Essentially, the mop is plugged in, and you're able to use it after a charge. On a full charge, the mop works for 2 hours straight. That's pretty neat. Our guide to the best handheld vacuums features more products that will make cleaning easier and more enjoyable. Another product from Prolux is the Prolux Core Heavy Duty Single Pad Commercial Floor Buffer is a solid entry on our list of best floor polishers for several reasons. It features some of the latest technology and manages to incorporate a slew of advanced features into its build. To begin, users will appreciate the floor polisher for its versatility. The product can wax, strip, sand, buff, and even mop your floors clean. It's also suitable for several floor surfaces, so you can purchase the floor polisher regardless of what you walk on every day. Like the previous Prolux floor polisher, the cord on this one measures 50 feet too. So, you get enough coverage from a single power source. The tool also comes with a random orbit monitor, which ensures that it's unable to cause any damage to your floors. The Prolux Core Heavy Duty Single Pad Commercial Floor Buffer comes with a heavy-duty scrubbing brush as well, which works for dense surfaces like concrete and tiles. For more delicate ones, however, you can choose between the soft and medium brushes. However, note that the latter two aren't included in the package. The floor polisher's motor runs at 150 RPM, which is considerable. It's also silent so that you can clean your floors in peace. If you also have carpets in your home, be sure to check out our guide to the best carpet rakes and pick the right one. The Boss Cleaning Equipment B200752 Scrubber is another highly rated tool that deserves a spot on our list of best floor polishers. It's very light, but don't let that fool you. This scrubber packs a significant punch nonetheless. As stated, the scrubber's most significant advantage is its weight. It comes in at just 7 pounds, which is quite impressive on the face of it. This convenience is aided by its 15x11x11 inches in dimension. Combined, they ensure that you're able to move and maneuver the scrubber well. There's also the fact that the motor runs at a ridiculous 470 RPM. Now, that's some speed. The cord on this one is a bit shorter than its predecessors, with just 18 feet. Still, the length is considerable, and the scrubber should get the job done nonetheless. The floor machine works on all types of floors, regardless of their condition or the situation at hand. However, its strength is in scrubbing as opposed to others that can conduct several other tasks like waxing and sanding. You'll find this piece worthy of your home when you see the 2 microfiber pads, which help with buffing and polishing your floors. The pads pick up grime, dust, and all liquid from the floors, thus leaving you with a clean and clear surface when you're done. For more cool cleaning tools like this, check out our guide to the best dustpan and brush. The Prolux Core Floor Buffer comes next on our list, thanks to a collection of impressive features that will make any responsible homeowner swoon almost immediately. While this floor machine does come with a slew of advanced features, perhaps the most impressive will have to be the industrial-grade telescopic wand, which provides height adjustment and ensures that anyone can use the machine regardless of their height. It's not the most talked about feature, but it deserves some recognition given how much convenience it can provide. Moving on, the floor machine is also versatile enough to strip, sand, wax, and buff your floors. It works on several flooring materials using a heavy-duty brush that's capable of making light work of the task at hand. There are also different scrubbing levels, soft and medium, to be precise, that help you to switch when working on delicate surfaces. The product also includes a 50-feet cord that allows it to cover large rooms easily. You'll fall in love with the random orbit technology, which ensures that there are no twisting or sanding marks on your floor. This, combined with the 150 RPM cleaning motor and the 13-inch cleaning path, will ensure that you're able to clean efficiently, quickly, and effectively. You may also be interested in some of the best spin mops from our list, so be sure to check them out. The Aura Commercial ORB 550MC Commercial Orbiter Floor Machine is a powerful floor polisher that works on different types of floors, regardless of their sensitivity or kind. This floor machine weighs 24 pounds, making it pretty easy to carry around. The sleek design also works in its favor. You can simply tuck it away in the store without cluttering the space. However, the ease of maneuvering during usage is one of the floor polisher's most appealing features. The product is suitable for wood, tiled floors, vinyl, and hardwood floors as well. While it works for stone and marble, too, it might not necessarily be the best in that regard. The floor machine helps to clean, sand, wax, and buff your floors, thus providing a level of versatility that can help you to maintain the beauty of your floors at all times. However, customers have especially touted the floor buffer feature as a particular favorite. The brush pad on this floor machine runs at 175 RPM, thus providing an opportunity to work on your floors quickly and be done with the chore in little to no time. It's not the quickest one out there, but given that it's able to hit such speeds without making a noise, the machine is laudable nonetheless. It's got a power cord that is 50 feet long, thus making the machine useful for larger spaces that are a bit more open. The downside to this, however, is that you will have quite a lot of wires to sift through for tighter spaces. For more quality cleaning products like this, check out our selection of the best steam mops.